Guys!
What?
Guess what I just saw? I just saw a limited time offer. Yeah, and for exactly it's $1,000 and it's about the trendsetter marketing. You know, they offer to make us a viral video. Yeah, and on top of that, they guarantee 1,000,000 views. Yeah, but the thing is that we need to sign this by 5 p.m.
Lina, calm down. This is exactly what we talk about. You rush into a decision, and now you use the deadline as an excuse.
Oh my god, it's 1,000,000 views. Think about our business, please.
Before we spend money, we need to know what the problem is. Let's start by setting our goal, whether you want to be famous online or do you want to open coffee shop every day.
I've been analyzing our sales. Look, we pay at lunch but empty in the morning. A viral video might get you in another country. But do you think people might get through our door at 8 a.m.?
Well, maybe.
Maybe if you cut it, okay? And we need to actually think it through, like, what are our options here? Like, we have 3 options. The first one is the viral video thingy. The second one is some kind of loyalty deals. And the last one is we need to just get a better sidewalk signs and giving out sample in the morning. Alright, let's go crazy over here a little bit, okay? Worst case, best case, whatever. Let's say our video does go viral, right? It's cool and all, but what if all the people who are watching our video is living in like Europe? What does that actually do for us here?
Okay, maybe the benefits are lower than I thought.
Exactly, and honestly, what the odds of our video actually going viral? And like half of the views of our video are probably just bought anyways, and what actual odds of an actual person seeing our video and actually walking through our door is very much zero.
So we need to think about what is wrong and what is right. We need a consultant. Let me calculate.
별빛이 내린다.
Hi guys, so I checked out with the marketing agency and yeah, they then flagged the fake engagement, like losing number in order to look popular, and honestly, it doesn't sit right with me, and I think it's very misleading and dishonest toward our customer, and if people find out, it could really hurt our reputation.
Well, we currently weighing the disadvantages and advantages of the loyalty program. Can you show us what that look like?
Well, the advantage is that it actually rewards the people around us and get people to come back and also build a sense of community. However, the drawback is that it's slower. You're not gonna get an instant viral spike. But honestly, if you compare some random fake viewers to loyal local customer, it's not even close. A real customer is worth 10 times more than some random fake viewers.
I see. So I was looking for a very quick fix.
Yeah, and I didn't judge the likelihood of success properly.
When we set our goal and look into it, we realized the real problem was morning slump.
So the smartest move is to spend $1,000 on the loyalty program and the morning food same cost. So based on this, it is the best choice for us.
Alright, so I start drafting the loyalty cards. So the thing that we focus on is the recommendation for our shop, yeah, not the viral video that I was thinking about.
Now that's a very reasonable conclusion.
After going through all these processes, our team learned how to make decisions step by step.
First, we should avoid jumping into conclusion without thinking about it carefully. And instead, we should clearly define our main problem.
Next, we look at the real data in order to understand the situation better. And we also imagine the different possibilities, such as what could happen if our audience is not local. After that, we compare the value of each option and we realize that by getting a lot of local customers is important than just by getting many views. We also consider the ethical side and agree that using fake engagement is not right.
Then we use the winner method by discussing the pros and cons of each idea. Finally, by combining all these steps, we made a well-reasoned decision that is both effective and ethical.
Tina, calm down.
Not even close.